Hello YouTube, hello my viewers and welcome to another video. I bought myself this Parkside wall-mounted hose reel system, hose box system or water hose, however you want to call it. It's 25 meters long and the supply hose that's going in on the side is 2 meters. And in this video we're going to install it and test it and see how it works. So this water hose or this hose box system, wall-mounted hose reel system from Parkside is 25 meters long and the connection hose is 2 meters long. It's 360 rotatable. It has been delivered with these accessories. It comes with a 3-year warranty. It's UV resistant and weatherproof, weather resistant. So let's open up the box and take a look inside. The one before, the hose lock system I used before, it's also a reel system, broke down, so I had to buy a new one. That one worked fine for years. All out of the box. This is the 2 meter hose with these connectors on both sides, and on this side there is a connector for the water supply. This wall mount with 3 screw points and these adapters to lock it. It has to go on the other side. The hose reel drops in here and then you lock it with these guys. On the other side we have the water connection here, and on the bottom we have the ring. Let's go outside and hang it on the wall. So what we're going to do next, we're going to hang it on the wall, see if there are no leaks, and look if the rail system automatically rails in and is proper. So let's go outside. So first you have to remove the old one. on the water now and see if there are no leaks. The hose first got to fill with water. This is very nice. Let's give it a test with water in the hose, rolling it out. And reeling it in. Never remove the ball. Reeling it in again. And then it's also a 25 meter. Look at the size difference. So that one's going into the bin. So it's hanging outside and I'm ready to use it. My thoughts about it: it's a very good product, no leaks, very proper connections. All the connectors are very nice, with no leaks. The 360 mount, I'm not going to use it a lot because it's in the corner, but maybe in your situation it's very handy. I also did a little comparison with the hose lock system. The hose lock system is way more bigger than this one. So that's very nice that it's such a small, compact hose reel. And all the connectors, yeah, very good. What can I say about it? It's up to you to have your opinion. Please drop a comment. If you like the video, give it a like and subscribe to my channel for future videos. Thanks for watching.